steak cook-off. Scrubby Shark and Versus Perfect Steak.
You're on.
You're on.
Take it. And here are the rules for the meat extravaganza of 2015. The rules are, both teams of two must make a meat dish to wow the judges. And here are the judges. Judge Cash, Judge Kira, Judge Sean. And of course, the meat monster. And here are contestants.
Team the perfect steak. And Scrubby short films. Ew, what are you doing?
And we'll give each team 3 minutes to decide what they want to make. Keep shaking, boy. And now, the perfect steak. What do you want to make?
We're going to make baby back ribs.
And now, for your follow-up. Team, Scrubby Short Friends, what do you want to make?
What should we make? I don't know, man.
I don't know, man.
Eagle leg.
We're getting attacked.
Hurry up and decide.
I don't know what to do.
Make steak quesadillas. Steak quesadillas?
Great idea.
Okay.
Quesadillas.
Take that off the
We
cutting
don't
board.
use all of it. We'll like.
So are we gonna put it in and then cut it up in that, or are we gonna cut it and then
No, this is what we do. We put it in,
Yeah.
then we season it, then we cut it,
put it back, and then we put
then,
it there?
then we cut it.
Do you guys even know how to make steak?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm not stupid.
Of course we do. Anyway, okay, so
We just put it in.
wait, not yet.
Let's wait for Ethan.
Yeah, let's wait.
This here
Let's
is
wait
what
for
we're going to
Jimmy.
be putting our ribs in. Paprika, black pepper, garlic powder, salt, chili pepper, or chilies, and brown sugar.
So now we're gonna be seasoning the steak.
That is gigantic.
I got my
Hey,
smoke.
Luke, can you film this?
Ethan's putting smoke in this.
How's it going, Curtis?
It's going quite well. No, don't. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Sure, why not?
Hey.
Ruin the steak, shall we? Squish.
Well, clearly we know much more about making meat than them. And now we're going to be patting these ribs dry and cutting off the
Let's
member.
start making our steak now. Can we like actually do our steak?
Even get the pan out. And get
Okay, can we put the next
Dry.
one? Yeah. Okay, wait, maybe you should put more.
And also, you're going to have to cut 3 24 by 12 inch pieces of aluminum foil. I mean, 4. And then you're going to mix all of your ingredients into this bowl. And now we are going to dry our other side.
Wait.
And this is about 4.5 pounds of ribs. Extra meaty.
Yeah, I know.
So
You can always underdo it and add more,
delicious.
but you can't go back.
I'm eavesdropping on the competition.
doing it.
They're very loud.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's
And now we're going to have to cut the membrane.
This is to make the.
No.
Wow.
This is a really hard competition. Both steaks look very good.
Yeah.
The ribs look extra long and meaty. And oh, this taco meat.
Where's our host?
Just fabulous.
Our original marinade was salt, black pepper, some smoke,
Some mild taco
flakes,
seasoning.
and some taco seasoning. We let it sit for 5 minutes. Now we're gonna add some extra virgin and olive oil to the marinade. Do the honors.
Curtis is not even a judge. He's part of their team.
Excuse me?
Wait a second. Curtis, you're not part of their team. You're a judge. He's not even.
He not helping. He's just making sure we don't cheat.
Yeah.
See?
Very well. And then we're just gonna rub it.
Periodically. Periodically time.
How about a Rambo?
And now we have the Andy,
No.
which has come back from the wild and apparently has found a weapon.
Hey, wait, Ethan.
So how's the wife and kids?
I don't have any weapon
If you let us win, I'll give you this money. This money.
Do I see a bribe happening here?
Oi!
No!
Oi! Take the money!
No,
You can't do that!
no,
Most of you.
no.
At least you can show it to fancy British people.
FBI!
Me master.
No!
Get down on the ground. Let him go. Let him go.
No. So now we're gonna put the steaks inside the.
Not yet. We have to wait for the olive oil to pop.
True.
Okay, so we're gonna wait for this to heat up until the olive oil starts popping. Then we'll take.
Not too popping.
Okay, and then we'll have this, which is marinated with black pepper, salt, the taco seasoning, and olive oil, and some other spices and peppers.
And our secret sauce.
And our secret sauce.
And now it's gonna be almost ready. Just put it in.
Okay.
Now our pan is ready.
Did someone say
first.
combat?
No.
Mortal.
No, not yet.
We're gonna just kind of cook it inside.
Oh yeah.
That already.
For about 30 seconds.
No, just put it down. You don't have to do it like that.
Oh yeah.
Listen to that sizzle pop bam.
Crap, snapple pop. Serious.
I will murder the competition. And the hooded judge will be my prize. I will gladly be a prize, Curtis.
After this, we're gonna dice it up so then we can put it in the quesadilla and then heat up the quesadilla. So we don't want to cook it too much, or else we'll double cook it and it won't be as good.
Okay, where can we put this thing on? Where can we put this thing on? Because it's so hot. Can we put it on a chopping board? This, in fact, is just a test. So, it smells really good. It's extremely hot. And since it's just a test, we are gonna just kind of like, cut it. Yeah, cut it.
You can get a fork, right?
That's very raw. So we're gonna have to cook it for a little longer. Right now the steak is cooking really well. So we have 4 steaks into the pan. They're all sirloins, right?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna start searing them on the side. You have to have some nice grill marks.
We're gonna put
grill marks
our
because it's not cooked
ribs
on olive oil.
in our rub. We mixed all of the ingredients up, and now we're just gonna press them down, move them around, flip them over. That looks super good. And we used flakes of red pepper. You can just use cayenne pepper or pepper powder, whatever floats your boat. We have rubbed our steak, and now we will put our hot and sweet barbecue sauce. Don't be shy. Put a lot. Put some on the sides of the pot too, so you can mix it in. This is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And now let's go to our judges to see how they decide on our steaks. Okay, so Bryce,
Can I use this fork
yeah, go
to
ahead.
cut it?
You have a line to say, Bryce. Dude,
What do I say?
We're fighting over who gets to speak.
No, you're not supposed to.
I did because hey, listen to
Cut on this thing.
Here, I'll do it.
Wider.
You don't know what
I'm a salt piece.
No, not yet.
Right. Cut on this thing.
Why? This is a cutting board.
No, but this thing too. It's also wider.
Luke, you're Australian. No, we're gonna cut it on this and then put it back into the. Oh yeah, we need cheese.
Alright, here's more cheese if you want.
We need a lot of cheese.
I'm gonna cut some on this.
They have cheese already.
I too. Put it right here. Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
And now let's go to our judges.
Well, when I inspected the perfect steak, I saw them season their food with some chili powder, some paprika, and many other spices. I personally think their baby back ribs will taste very good. And I also saw Scrubby short films cook their quesadilla meat with lots of good oil.
Wait, no, hold up. Now, they're both very good.
Let me interrupt you.
No,
what
I
I
didn't
think is
say
the
anything,
barbecue
you
sauce
scrubby.
is fabulous.
True.
But
But, however, they both smell amazing. Amazing. I mean, Scrubby short films, the steak was beautiful. And then the perfect steak and ribs were just, woo. Just like
Alright,
heaven.
enough of that. So I saw Scrubby short film doing their own thing. It just looks so.
Shut up, Andy. How about you, Kira? All in all, I think it will be hard to decide who will win the meat champion thing.
Now, fine. We will now add some aged Corona. It's probably like at least a year old.
AKA beer.
here, use this cutting
And now we will swish it around. Make sure it gets every part.
Okay,
Marinating in booze is amazing.
how many judges are there?
good things that you never know.
Cut.
There's 5.
We set our grill on 350 degrees, and now we are going to put the meat bone side down on the grill. And we do it bone side down because
You don't want to cook the fat.
yeah, we want the fat to stay up.
Now we can take our brush.
And then brush on our seasonings. I'm gonna wash my hands.
Right, that's enough.
So we're making this tortilla, and we're gonna make it a quesadilla.
It's dandy.
Oh, is the fire even on? Oh, okay.
That is. It's on low.
Now, our head judge, Andy, is going to try our quesadillas.
Their quesadillas.
Their
Scrubby
quesadillas.
short films. Yeah.
Look at these babies.
Okay.
This.
Right there. Eat right there.
Alright, hold on. This. It's
How is the
missing.
texture?
It's missing.
Shut up, Andy. Eat it.
And the texture is. Okay. 3 out of 5.
Just eat it.
That cheese, though. The stretch of the cheese. How does it taste? Eat more. Mmm. 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 You have any comments?
Pretty good.
Is that it? It's pretty good. Just pretty
There's hot sauce in here, right?
No.
Wait, what's making it spicy?
Salsa.
No, oh yeah, salsa. That makes it. Alright, salsa. Tastes pretty good. Yes, I do taste the cheese. I do.
Is there a wow factor or nah? Nah.
We take that as a no.
Hello, I'm going to try the Scrubby short films quesadilla. Can I have some utensils?
Nope. No utensils for you.
Yes, master.
Speak louder.
Alright, now for the bite.
I'm going to ask that you eat it. You're ruining our masterpiece, sir. Their masterpiece.
That's
Eat it.
why I need...
Take a bite right there.
No.
Yes.
No.
You don't get to eat it at all.
Kobe, I don't want to eat
For
that.
our third judge.
Okay.
Eat.
Okay.
Eat it.
Tell us what you think.
Eat. It tastes bad, right?
Hey, none of that.
Hey, no sound effects, Leo.
Oh yeah, so good.
I mean, Curtis. How does it taste?
For days.
Good.
On 1 unicorn to 10 unicorns. What is it?
5.
5 unicorns? That's an
Does it
F.
give you a wow factor?
No.
Oh!
Oh crap! I just stabbed this.
Well, you can't win them all.
Our fourth judge.
This looks okay only.
Bryce, no touching of the judge.
Ooh, baby.
Ooh, big bite. He ate it from the wrong side.
Eat the side with the meat.
Mmm.
Not bad, but not too good either.
Interesting. You seem like you're inspecting it a lot. What do you see?
I see it's quite normal. Kind of normal food.
Does it give you a wow factor?
No. Out of how many unicorns would you rate this? Out of 10?
100 out of a 10.
7?
7? That's better than that girl.
6 to 7.
6 to 7.
We'll give you a
6.5.
Well, you're gonna get.
Did you change your mind on how many unicorns?
Yes.
She has not changed her mind.
Well, thank you for judging.
And here is our final and head judge, Luke Bowman.
The meat monster.
This is not accurate.
Oh, Panda's coming off.
No, because of this part.
Yeah. The big jar makes it look like
Ooh. Signature sauce.
So you made it? I get so much pizza.
First bite.
This is your base?
Mmm.
Don't need it all, right?
Second bite.
How would you have a headquarters?
Second bite.
Wait, is Blue Meat on your side?
Quite polite today.
Really good texture.
Yeah.
Smells amazing. Tapatio. Really good.
Does it give you a wow factor?
What?
Wow factor?
I can't understand you.
Wow factor.
I can't understand you. Give me that.
That
Do
sounds
you
like a no to
think
me.
it is good? Yes, quite good.
Would you give it a wow factor?
What's my phone?
I don't understand you.
That's a no. So we have just taken out the meat from the barbecue, and it looks beautiful. You can see. And I cut just a little bit into it to check that it's ready. And it's
Hey guys.
like white inside.
Okay, so
And you know what he
we're gonna
kisses
turn the ribs over when they're done, and I sprinkled some bacon pieces,
Ready?
bacon bits,
Start.
all over the place. So we're gonna turn it over so we can actually see
No.
where the ribs are, and we cut in between them. And you need a sharp knife.
That
Well,
won't.
we only use
That
like
won't
butter.
do. That.
There we go. Look at that. Sam shows
The
it.
glare is perfectly going there, and I can't see a thing. Okay, now I do it again. See where it's cutting in between the bones.
Mmm. That's great. Pause it.
And now here's our first judge, Sean, trying his rib.
After he gave us
Looks
a
like
bad score. Lots of barbecue on this.
Oh, putting even more barbecue?
Oh wow.
So the perfect steak needs more than 2 wow factors in order to beat Scrubby short film.
Sean, Leo, I saw your reflection.
Is it a wow factor?
Yeah.
Definitely.
So good. Well, I guess he just doesn't like quesadillas there.
And here's Andy trying his.
Utensils? You did.
Stabby, stabby? Randy, is there a wow factor?
Oh baby, double.
Oh, baby.
It's smoked, but
Get in there.
it's smoked. But the barbecue sauce is too much.
You have to put more in it.
But it's too much. It's too much for me. No wow factor.
What's your rating out of 10 unicorns?
7 out of 10.
That's enough. No more, Andy.
Ah!
Hello? I am Kish Bowman, and I am going to try the perfect steaks ribs. Nice. Never could have enough barbecue. So I'm gonna try it.
Turn it on. Turn it. Turn it.
Okay, Kira, are you playing, right? You're on the...
How is it? Does it give you a wow factor?
I don't believe it does.
I think it does.
No, I don't think it does.
Well, it's a very hard decision because it's very spicy. I'm sorry. No will factor. Wait. Before I call too early, I would like to try to dip it.
Did you even try it?
He drops it in. That's style. Now.
Now, the final countdown. That is good.
Are you positive there's no wow factor?
No, I'm not. It's a waffle.
There is wow factor.
Okay. The next judge is trying to cut it like a civilized human. Who does that? What a noob.
Alright, I'm gonna go take off the food.
Let's Lady do what she wants.
2 hours later.
Okay, she's got it. Dipping sauce is to your left, if you would like. No sauce, I see. She does not like that. She almost gagged up. Okay, that's an automatic 0 unicorns and she almost choked on that. You're an abomination. What do you give us now that you have tasted theirs?
Kobe, rice.
10?
9.
9?
Now you're gonna try this quesadilla.
Wait, who's so excited to die?
Whose meat is this?
I think that's Sean.
Kobe, I'm here.
No, that's Patrick. That's Patrick.
That's very good.
Sam, I need your help. Can you unbutton this one for me? Because I can't really do it.
Wait, where are the cups?
Does it give you a wow factor?
Yeah.
Over there. Over there.
Rating?
Wait, Sam, and this
Out of
one.
you 10 unicorns?
And the other side.
I missed every shot.
10.
10? Wow! Monster in the house. Just trying to steak the ribs. Get that sauce.
I just want my grenade launcher, but hey.
So Bronca just left. This is garbage, guys. You gotta put it in the garbage.
You gotta try one bite of it without the sauce, though. So you can try their true flavor.
Ours is good, right?
The meat is cooked really perfectly. Good texture.
Final bite for the win. Oh, look at that. Does it give you a wow factor? Out of 10 unicorns, how many would you give it?
10 unicorns because I like 10 unicorns.
But, well, you can't question the meat monster, okay?
All the careful consideration with all the judges, the winner is obviously right after the commercial. Pal.
Distraction. Like,
Pal.
here.
Oh, pal.
Crap. Color with it. So won't you tell us the result?
Cue the music. And the result is stop this. Not Scrubby short films. It's the perfect steak.
That's so bad. Your pause was
Yay!